Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Moosend. In this video, we are going to talk about its features, some drawbacks, and whether this is the right tool for you. Moosend is a powerful email marketing and automation platform designed for businesses of all sizes. With feature-friendly tools for creating engaging newsletters, automating campaigns, and building landing pages, Moosend helps enhance customer engagement and drive conversions, all while providing excellent support and seamless integration with various platforms. Now, let's discuss its features. Beautiful emails. Moosend's drag-and-drop email editor allows users to create stunning newsletters effortlessly. With customizable templates and extensive library of images and GIFs, users can design professional emails without needing HTML knowledge. This flexibility ensures that every campaign is visually appealing, enhancing engagement and encouraging subscriber action effectively. Marketing Autopilot. Automating marketing campaigns with Moosend streamlines the process of reaching customers. Users can set up workflows that trigger emails based on subscriber behavior, such as cart abandonment or product recommendations. This automation not only saves time but also increases conversion rates by delivering timely, relevant messages to potential buyers. Personalized experience. Moosend excels in delivering personalized email marketing experiences. By utilizing subscriber data and advanced segmentation, businesses can tailor content to individual preferences. Features like conditional blocks and product recommendations ensure that each email resonates with the recipient, leading to higher open rates and customer satisfaction. Tracking insights. With Moosend's tracking capabilities, users can monitor campaign performance in real time. Detailed metrics on open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach allows marketers to refine their strategies for better results in future campaigns. Reporting analytics. Moosend offers comprehensive reporting analytics that empower users to evaluate their marketing efforts effectively. Users can access in-depth reports on various metrics, enabling them to understand audience behavior and campaign success. This analytical insight is crucial for making informed decisions that enhance overall marketing effectiveness and ROI. Now, let's discuss some of the potential drawbacks. Limited advanced features. While Moosend offers a robust suite of tools, it may lack some advanced features found in more established platforms, such as complex automation scenarios or extensive CRM functionalities. This could be a limitation for larger businesses with intricate marketing needs. Learning curve for new users. Although Moosend is user-friendly, new users may still experience a learning curve when navigating its various features. Familiarizing oneself with the platform's capabilities and best practices can take time, potentially delaying the launch of effective marketing campaigns. Pricing structure concerns. Moosend's pricing model can become costly as subscriber lists grow. While it offers competitive rates for smaller businesses, larger enterprises may find the tiered pricing less economical compared to other platforms that provide more extensive features at similar price points. In conclusion, Moosend is a powerful email marketing platform that offers a range of features for businesses of all sizes. While it provides excellent tools for automation and personalization, potential drawbacks include limited advanced features and onboarding challenges. Overall, it remains a valuable choice for effective marketing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.